Number 2, kitchen bar top. I could utilize the Aqara FP2 presence sensor using its zone technology to map out a zone and accomplish this by motion. However, I wanted to make sure that the lights only came on in this zone when we pulled the chairs out and sat down to eat. So I utilized 4 Aqara vibration sensors placed under each bar stool. So if you pull out any of the stools, the lights above the kitchen bar turn on. This automation runs via Apple Home because at the time of setup, the Amazon Alexa app did not support vibration sensors. Now they do. So basically, if vibration is detected on any of the 4 sensors, lights come on for 15 minutes. The lights turn off after 15 minutes of no vibration. So even if you're sitting at the stool and moving around and having a meal for an hour, lights will remain on until there's no motion detected or vibration detected for 15 minutes. Automation